EasyForm is our ultimate bending machine. EasyForm adaptive bending system guarantees the desired angle from the first bending operation. The angle measuring system consists of two laser scanners located on the front and back of the table below the die mounting surface. The unique of EFL is that this uses V-die reference instead of sheet reference. EFL rapidly measures up to 100 samples per second between die and sheet. The scanners are linked to the Catman-B database containing a tooling library and proven bending results. As the bending sequence of the press brake is initiated, the EFL system transmits the digital information in real time to the CNC control unit, which processes it and immediately adjusts the depth to obtain the correct angle. The bending process is not interrupted and no production time is lost. The unique design of the EasyForm laser systems allows the machine to adapt to material variations such as sheet thickness, strain hardening and grain direction, automatically compensating for any changes. On the EasyForm machine we have a back gauge versatility. The back gauge ensures correct positioning of the workpiece in the machine, reducing overall cycle time and increasing productivity. LVD's back gauge system offers the ultimate in flexibility in the production of both parallel and non-parallel flanges. The 3-point gauge fingers allow automatic calculation and setting of both the back gauge and the side stop position for accurate part production. Programming with LVD's Catman software enables feasibility checks prior to production. The database information is automatically used to achieve precise flange lengths the first time. You can determine the exact position of the back gauge. No modifications are necessary throughout production. EasyForm machine can be configured as your press brake with numerous options and available to increase output of your press brake. We can have a quick act hydraulic clamping on ram and top. We can have hardened clamping. We can have increased distance stable ram. We can have increased distance of stroke of the ram. We can have an increased gap, a second foot pedal, laser safety system, interface for rubber connection, barcode reader and much more. EasyForm series is available from 80 up to 640 ton, from 1.5 up to 8 meters.